Good morning, students. Welcome to your EVS class. Today in EVS we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 12, means of transport. Now, what are means of transport? Means of transport means vehicles, gaadiyan, that we use daily to travel from one place to another. So today we will study about different means of transport. Chapter 12, means of transport. In this chapter we will study about different modes of transport. Modes means. Means and modes are the one and the same thing. So why we need to travel? हमें travel करने की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है? Different ways of traveling. What are the different ways through which we travel? Ways, means, modes, one and the same thing. Now, going from one place to another is known as traveling. There are different ways of traveling from one place to another. These are known as means of transport. They can be used on land, on water, or in air. They are called vehicles. Now, what is traveling? When we go from one place to another, that is known as traveling. जब हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे जाते हैं, that is traveling. As you go to school from home, you go to school. So we travel through different ways. When we travel from one place to another, we use different modes of transport. We use different ways for traveling, and these are known as means of transport. And these means of transport, they can be used on land, water or in air. ये जो means of transport हैं, modes of transport हैं, vehicles हैं, they can be used on land, on water and in air. Means they can be land transport, they can be water transport and they can be air transport. And the means of transport are called vehicles. Now try this. Complete the names of these vehicles: tricycle, bicycle, scooter, motorcycle, auto rickshaw, rickshaw, car, van, bus, truck, e-rickshaw, jeep, train, metro, train. And vehicles may be big or small. Now why we need to travel? हमें travel करने की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है? Because we do not get everything at home or nearby. Let us first read it. We do not get everything nearby. We need to get them from different places. Thus, people travel. We go to the places where we work as well as to shopping malls. Children go to schools and parks. We go to hospitals, movie halls, markets, shopping malls, relatives' houses and exotic locations during vacations. Now students, we do not get everything at home or nearby. अगर हम सिर्फ घर पे बैठे रहेंगे तो हमें हर एक चीज़ नहीं मिल सकती. As you all know that if we have to study, we go to school. If we fall ill, we have to go to hospital. And if we have to buy something, we have to go market. So to get different things from different places, we have to travel. Okay, like we go to school to study, children go to schools, you go to school to study, you go to park to play. If you fall ill, you go to hospital. If you want to see movie, you go to movie hall. For shopping, you go to shopping malls. You go to your relatives' houses, like you go to your nanny's house, your aunt's house, and during vacations you go to some hilly stations. So what we want in our daily life, we need to get them from different places. Thus we travel. जो हमें अपनी डेली लाइफ के लिए सामान चाहिए वो हमें अलग अलग जगह से मिलेगा, इसीलिए हमें ट्रैवल करना पड़ता है. Now many ways of traveling. Transport is of 3 types. Now there are many ways of traveling. Some people travel through bus, Some people travel through train, some people travel through aeroplane, some people travel through ship or boat. So there are different ways of traveling. So let us read. First is land transport. They move on land. All pictures given on previous pages are the means of land transport. Among them, the train is the fastest. It runs on railway tracks. Now, what are land transport? The vehicles that move on land are called land transport, like bus, train, car, truck. These move on land. They are known as land transport. And among land transport, train is the fastest means of transport. Train is the fastest means of transport and train runs on railway tracks. Train कहाँ चलती है? Railway tracks मतलब रेल की पटरी पर. Yes. And the India's fastest train is Vande Bharat Express, which is the fastest train of India. Vande Bharat Express, and it runs between New Delhi and Katra. It also runs between New Delhi and Varanasi. ये जो वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस है ये न्यू दिल्ली टू कटरा जो इसका रूट है वो तो है, इसका एक और भी रूट है डेट इज़ फ्रॉम न्यू दिल्ली टू वाराणसी. नाउ वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट. Now what is water transport? The vehicles that move on water like sailboat, raft, boat, ship. These all are water transport because they all move on water. And some of them are sailboat, raft, boat and ship. So what is water transport? The vehicles that move on water are called water transport. The largest passenger ships, cruise ships in the world are Oasis of the Seas and Allure of the Seas. These two are the largest passenger ships which carry passengers from one place to another. Oil tankers are longer than these cruise ships. यहाँ दो पिक्चर्स दी गई हैं. फर्स्ट इज़ द Oasis of the Seas and Allure of the Seas. These are the two largest passenger ships or cruise ships. इनको cruise ships भी बोलते हैं. These ships carries passengers from one place to another. Yes. Now air transport. Now the vehicles that move in air are called air transport. All these vehicles move in air. For example, helicopters, aeroplanes, rockets and hot air balloons. Now the vehicles that move in air are called air transport. Here are the picture of hot air balloon, helicopter and aeroplane. The biggest plane in the world is the Antonov AN-225 Maria. Yes, this is the biggest plane. The aeroplanes which only carry luggage are called cargo planes. और जो एरोप्लेन सिर्फ लगेज मीन्स जो सिर्फ सामान ले जाते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? कार्गो प्लेन्स. Yes. Now, did you know the Asian tuk-tuk is a form of land transport used as taxi service to take as many as 4 passengers to their destinations. Now, जो एशियन टक टक है ये इट इज़ अ फॉर्म ऑफ अ लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट. ये लैंड पे चलती है और इट इज़ यूज्ड एज अ टैक्सी. ये टैक्सी की तरह यूज़ होती है और ये एक टाइम पे इसमें 4 पैसेंजर्स बैठ सकते हैं टू रीच देयर डेस्टिनेशन. यहाँ पे उनको जाना है. इंडोनेशिया हैज़ द बिजिएस्ट रोड नेटवर्क इन द वर्ल्ड. जो इंडोनेशिया है वो उसका जो रोड नेटवर्क है वो सबसे बिजी है. Now what are vehicles? Any means by which someone travels or something is carried is called a vehicle. Vehicle क्या होती है? वो गाड़ी जो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे ले जाती है. किसको? पैसेंजर्स को भी और सामान को भी. That is known as vehicle. Railway tracks means railway lines. पटरी, रेल की पटरी. Previous means before. So students, you have to read this chapter number 12 2-3 times at home. And in our next EVS class, I will ask you questions related to chapter number 12. So read this chapter carefully at home.